For decades, the Roots Universal RAI, or URAI blower, has been the industry standard for rotary lobe positive displacement blowers. The URAI blowers have several series available, so in this video we will show you the differences between each series so you can choose the blower that best meets your needs. The URAI series was created in the 1980s in a successful effort to standardize the units and make it much easier to replace and swap out blowers. Unlike previous series, the Universal RAI blowers featured standardized shaft sizes and other parts, as well as removable mounting feet that would allow the blowers to be easily reconfigured. The most common blower configuration has the drive shaft on the left with the air flowing vertically through the unit. Most Roots distributors will keep stocked blowers in this configuration. If a blower is needed in a different configuration, it can be ordered from the factory in the desired orientation, or a stocked unit can be flipped to the needed orientation. For basic URAI blowers, this is as simple as rotating the feet and moving the vents and oil plugs. The Universal RAI blowers have several series, each with different features. There are the basic URAI models, URAI-G, URAI-DSL, URAI-J, and URAI-J DSL models, which combine the features of the DSL and J series. There are also a few special options that we will cover later in the video. The URAI series are the most basic Roots blowers. They are available in 17 different sizes, which can all be flipped to any of the 4 basic configurations. They use oil lubrication on the gear end and grease on the drive end. They are designed for air service in either a pressure or vacuum application. The flow range is 13 to 2,330 cubic feet per minute, pressure range of 1 to 15 psi, vacuum range of 1 to 16 inches of mercury. If your application uses a gas other than air, the URAI-G series is designed to handle gas applications. Instead of the typical lip seals, URAI-G blowers utilize mechanical seals to minimize gas leakage into the vented oil-bearing chambers. At the factory, each URAI-G unit is mechanically tested and given a 15 psi-G static leak test. A 1/8 inch NPT purge port is provided between each headplate seal and mechanical seal. Available in 12 models, the flow range is 31 to 1,600 cubic feet per minute, pressure range of 1 to 15 psi, vacuum range of 1 to 16 inches of mercury. DSL stands for dual splash lubrication, which means these units feature splash lubrication at both ends. This is an upgrade to the standard URAI models. Instead of grease lubrication on the drive end, the DSL models have 2 shaft-mounted oil slingers to lubricate the drive end bearings. DSL models also feature sight glasses to easily check oil levels. The flow range is 31 to 1,600 cubic feet per minute, pressure range of 1 to 15 psi, vacuum range of 1 to 16 inches of mercury. The URAI-J models feature the patented Whisper jet port that reduces the noise approximately 3 to 5 dBA. This design feature has a pressure equalizing effect, so these units can operate with up to 40% less pressure pulsation than the standard models. In addition to less noise, the reduced pulsations result in smoother operation for your blower and longer bearing life. Available in only 5 models, the flow range is 44 to 585 cubic feet per minute, pressure range of 1 to 13 psi, vacuum range of 1 to 16 inches of mercury. Because the jet port must be located at the blower discharge, the direction of airflow must be specified when selecting your blower configuration. Blowers can still be flipped to different configurations with one caveat. Blowers in each group shown here can be easily flipped to other configurations within their group. However, changing the configuration from one group to another would require disassembly of the blower to rotate the cylinder. One other series not pictured here is the URAI-J DSL. These blowers have both the Whisper jet port of the URAI-J series as well as the dual splash lubrication of the URAI-DSL series. This table shows which model sizes are available in each series. If you would like assistance sizing a blower for your application, contact PD Blowers at 1-800-536-9933 or online at www.pdblowers.com. If you have an existing Roots URAI blower, you can find your series designation in the model number on your blower's nameplate. You may also see a V or H, which typically indicate a horizontal or vertical drive shaft configuration. At the beginning of the video, we mentioned there were some additional special options you might come across with URAI blowers. An M in your model number designates a metric unit. Standard URAI models use imperial measurements, but metric units are available. Metric units will have the same features and basic dimensions as the standard imperial units. However, they will have a standard metric shaft diameter, and the inlet and discharge connections will be BSP instead of NPT. If your blower is painted a different color than the standard gray, or if it has BLK in the model number, it is likely your unit originally was purchased from another equipment manufacturer who uses Roots blowers in their systems. These models are often the same as the standard units, however some OEM blowers could have different internal clearances. Before replacing your current model, PD blowers can verify your unit serial number with the Roots factory to ensure it has the same performance specifications as a standard model. If you see a Roots URAI blower with 2 drive shafts, you may have a unit that was originally produced for OEM Hydramaster vacuum trucks. These units are no longer regularly produced by Roots, but they can still be ordered if needed. PD blowers keep several of these replacement units in stock. Roots has one URAI model, the 68, that is also available in the DVJ series for high vacuum. DVJ models are easily distinguished by the large discharge jet plenum that allows cooler air to flow into the cylinder, eliminating the high discharge temperatures at vacuum levels beyond 16 inches of mercury. If you have any questions about your Roots URAI blower or need assistance selecting the right blower for your application, we are happy to help. PD Blowers is the largest distributor of Roots blowers in North America, and we maintain a large inventory of URAI blowers, as well as parts, oil, filters, gauges, silencers, valves, or any other accessories you may need for your blower or vacuum pump. We also have an experienced service department that can repair blowers and vacuum pumps from all major manufacturers. Give us a call or find us online at www.pdblowers.com.